Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to apply borders and shading in Microsoft Word.
Borders and shading help you make specific parts of your document stand out, useful for highlighting important information or creating visual separation between sections. Let's start with borders. Select any paragraph. Inside the paragraph, click the Borders drop-down arrow. Border Options panel opens. At the top, you see border style icons. These control where the border appears, around the paragraph, on specific sides, or as a grid. Click the outside border icon. A border appears around the entire paragraph. Now let's customize the border. Click Borders dropdown, click Weight, select 2pt. Border becomes thicker and more visible. Click Style to change the line type. Choose dotted or dashed for a different look. Click Color, select any color. The border color updates instantly. Click Padding to add space between the text and the border, so the text does not feel cramped inside the box. To remove the border, click Borders dropdown, select the No Border icon. Now let's add shading. Shading adds a background color to a paragraph. Click the Paragraph Shading dropdown arrow. The shading panel opens showing no color, theme colors, and standard colors. Click a light blue from theme colors. The paragraph background changes to light blue. Try a light yellow from standard colors. Background updates. To remove shading, click Paragraph Shading dropdown, click No Color. Now let's combine both. Apply an outside border and a light yellow shading to the same paragraph. The result looks like a highlighted callout box, perfect for important notes, warnings, or key information in your document.
If you want to learn the complete course, the full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.